Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the Task Manager dark mode not working in Windows 11. And now let's get started. If you are experiencing issues with the Task Manager dark mode not applying correctly in Windows 11, do not worry. Typically, the Task Manager follows your system's overall theme. However, you can ensure it remains dark regardless of your system's light theme setting. Begin by opening the Task Manager. You can do this by searching for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and selecting it. Once Task Manager is open, locate and click on the Settings icon. This is usually represented by a gear symbol. In the Settings menu, find the option for App Theme and change it to Dark. By selecting Dark Mode here, you are forcing the Task Manager to stay in dark mode, even if your Windows system theme is set to light. This should resolve the problem. Hope this was helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.